10 amazing products on Amazon that can help you develop healthy habits and improve your overall well-being. Let's begin. Product 1. GuruNanda Coconut Oil Mouthwash.
This natural mouthwash not only freshens your breath, but also whitens your teeth and supports healthy gums. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free.
Product 2. RENPHO Smart Scale.
This digital scale tracks not only your body weight, but also your body fat percentage, helping you monitor your progress towards your fitness goals.
Product 3. Massage Gun.
This handheld electric massager is perfect for relieving pain and tension in your muscles. It's like having your own personal massage at home.
Product 4. UpNature Calm Essential Oil Roll-On Blend.
Stress and anxiety getting you down? Try the UpNature Calm Essential Oil Roll-On Blend. This natural aromatherapy blend will help you relax and unwind in no time.
Product 5. iHealth No-Touch Forehead Thermometer.
Taking your temperature just got a whole lot easier with the iHealth No-Touch Forehead Thermometer. This touchless thermometer is perfect for adults and kids alike.
Product 6. Heating Pad for Back Pain Cramps Relief.
The heating pad for back pain cramps relief is here to help. This electric heating pad is perfect for neck, shoulder, and back.
Product 7.be Smart Get Prepared First Aid Kit.
This kit has everything you need to treat minor cuts and scrapes, from bandages to antiseptic wipes.
Product 8. ProsourceFit Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set.
This set is designed to provide relief and relaxation, helping to ease tension and discomfort. Say goodbye to pain and hello to relaxation.
Product 9. Mind Bodhi Toe Separators.
Introducing the Mind Bodhi Toe Separators. These comfortable toe spacers will help correct your bunions and alleviate pain. Say goodbye to toe pain and hello to happy feet.
Product 10. Flat Tummy Tea Apple Cider Vinegar Gummies.
These delicious gummies are packed with apple cider vinegar and other natural ingredients to help you feel your best. Get ready to glow from the inside out.